On three. 1, 2, 3, push. It's moving. Clear on this end, keep it coming.
Inside America's turkey industry, from farm to factory. After cutting, the carcasses move along the conveyor line, allowing for controlled drainage before reaching the scalding tank. The carcasses are immediately transported to the scalding tank, where 140-degree water helps loosen the feathers for easier removal down the line.
After defeathering, the carcasses are thoroughly washed by high-pressure water jets before moving on to the evisceration line.
The carcasses are immediately plunged into the immersion chiller, where 34-degree water and a slow rotation bring the temperature down before deboning. Workers must make a precision cut along the breastbone, expertly separating the meat from the carcass for processing. Inside America's turkey industry, the freshly collected trim is rapidly fed into massive industrial grinders, emerging as a uniform mince.
The ground turkey is rapidly transferred into the molding section, where the nugget former compresses the meat into...
Here at the factory, the freshly breaded nuggets are flash fried at precisely 375 degrees to ensure the perfect golden coating.
Workers carefully hand trim and place the turkey breasts, ensuring consistent sizing before the trays move to the automated scales for labeling.
The check weigher ensures every package meets the strict weight standard of plus or minus 2 grams. If a
From the processing line, the products are swiftly moved to the packing station, where they are sealed and readied for transport.
Inside America's turkey industry, the sealed boxes are now ready for the final step, the palletizer.
Once sealed, the trays are packed by hand before moving to the automated sealing stage.
After processing, the pallets are swiftly moved into the cold storage rooms, maintained at a constant 0 degrees.
Once processed, the turkey products are rapidly cooled and moved into massive cold storage, where they await distribution across the country.
Inside the dispatch office, orders for multiple turkey products are received and logged, creating the pick list for the factory floor.
The moment they arrive at the processing facility, the turkeys are moved into the blanks chiller to rapidly reduce their temperature.
Inside America's turkey industry, from farm to factory.
The first step in the factory process is moving the freshly arrived product from the trailer onto the main floor for sorting.
With sorting complete, the final pallets are quickly loaded into the refrigerated trucks, ready for distribution to retailers.
This refrigerated truck is carrying thousands of pounds of fresh turkey to your local grocery store.
From the farm to these factory shelves, the journey of American turkey is complete.
In this segment, we've explored the massive scale of America's turkey industry, tracing the path from the farm directly to the factory.
Inside America's turkey industry. Today, we look at the incredible journey from the farm to this modern facility.